We just pulled in for a bit of a look, as you do. We left Glacier View this morning. It was overcast, not very pleasant. Had some roadworks, and this is Thompson's Pass on the way down to Valdez. I think we've got about 50 miles to go, but the colours are just absolutely fantastic. The fireweeds all changing colour to red. There's probably berries everywhere. There's granite rocks, there's glaciers, there's blue sky. You gotta come to Alaska. You just gotta. It's our first morning in Valdez. We're just walking around the harbour, having a look around, see what's what. We're going to check out the ocean, then suss out the good coffee. We're already pretty much ensconced in camp. We've got some great neighbours next door. They're a hoot. One of the guys is in the service, Jay. He's done 25 years in USAF. He's a nice fella. We just get to know our neighbours. It's been very entertaining. We're having a walk around again. It's t-shirt weather. Probably get up to about, I don't know, high 60s today. We've got a kayak tour booked tomorrow where we go out and actually kayak, get on a glacier, have a mooch around. We're very excited about that. Next day's day off. We'll probably do some mooching around, some filming. And then on the following day is Lulubelle. We're going out for another extended water cruise. Hopefully see some wildlife and get close to some glaciers. So that's us in Valdez. So it's a remarkable little spot down here.
Then when Americans came up here for the gold rush and everything, then they're like, well, it's not Valdez, it's Valdez. And then, so the town was named Valdez after Port Valdez, and then the glacier was named Valdez Glacier.
So Leanne and I are on the glacier with Zach, and it is phenomenal. There's shale, and you can see the ice through. It's like walking on glass, and obviously it's very dynamic. That's me gone. No, but if you live in a state like this, you've got to have the best, and you do have to, you've got to have really good company.
Yeah, the thing I really like about it is it's not well priced. Yeah, I've been doing it for years and it never gets old.
No, it should. All dripping off.
sit on the right side here.
So Zach's brought us inside an ice cave. The blue is astounding. You can see the ice, you can see the air, you can see fracture lines. It's absolutely amazing. Actually, while we're up walking on the glacier, Zach noticed that this piece had rolled over. So it's pristine ice, it's intense blue, it's full of ice bubbles, and it's absolutely one of the most beautiful things that Leanne and I have ever seen. I think Zach sees this every day, don't you, Zach? So
About once a week.
About once a week.
Seen the light of day for a while?
No. There's a nice reveal of Kamika Glacier behind it now.
Yeah.
I also like how when it rolls like this, you can actually see down into the ice deeper than you can see into the water. So this part right here is where it scraped as it rolled. Yeah, it's not too often you'll get a piece that thin where you can see through it like that.
So I will not try and walk too far while I'm doing this because this is brand new, it's been washed. That big chunk there fell off of this big chunk and another big chunk. So they made me pose. But it's pretty awesome. I'm going to go down this way. Bye, I'll swim. Wait till my mum finds out you left me. And again, with all my videos, the disclaimer for my mum, I didn't get close to the edge.
It's all right now.